Welcome children, and today we will talk about the compound microscope as one of your practicals. And here with the help of the microscope you will be able to see the slide more clearly. So what you are seeing on the screen is a compound microscope, right? And with the help of the slide, with the help of the microscope, we can view the specimen, we can get a magnified view of the specimen, right? With the pointer, the part that you are seeing is the eyepiece, and in general every microscope has two eyepieces. One is 10x and the other is 15x, which means the image can be viewed 10 times to 15 times more bigger than its original size. Here you can also see a 10x eyepiece which is fixed in this way. Now with the help of the pointer I am showing you the objective lens, right? Now this is the eyepiece. Here you can see with the help of the pointer the objective lens, and in this microscope there are two objective lens, one is 10x and the other is 45x. Now in the opening, while this is being turned, you can see there is an opening here, this part. So this, in this opening, a 100x lens can be fitted, right? So now what you see is, this is the focusing screw with which we focus the slide, and with the pointer you can see the fine focus. Now to focus the slide and view it clearly, fine focus is used. Now the part that you can see with the help of the pointer is the reflector of the microscope. Just above it is the condenser. The broad black part is the stage on which you can see the clips. The clips are meant to hold the slide, and the slide will not slip them or will not move away from its place. This is the ratchet pinion, and with this screw is moved up and down. You can see how for finer adjustments we can move it up and down. Now to view anything with the help of the microscope, we first set the reflector. We need to adjust it in the direction from where light is coming, so that when we view the specimen through the slide, through the microscope, we get a clear and a bright view. We first see the slide under the 10x, that is low power lens. We can see a permanent slide over here, that is the dicot root, a permanent slide of a dicot root. We keep the slide on the stage in such a way that the part that is to be viewed is right under the lens and it's in the center. We can adjust the focus to get a clear view. Now we must adjust the fine focus to get a more clearer view, and this is the view that you can observe, that is the permanent slide of a dicot root. Now this way we are able to study any slide and we get a more magnified image of whatever slide we view. So with the help of the microscope we can see the arrangement of the cells and everything a bit more clearly. So that's about what we see under the microscope. Now other than that, if we look at the microscope, we showed the objective lens also, right? I showed you that one objective lens is 10x and the other is 45x. Now if we want to see a more magnified view, then we can use the 45x objective lens. We can adjust it and we use it to see a more clearer and a more magnified image, right? So the image that we see is much more bigger and clearer than the image that we see under the 10x microscope, right? So with the help of the microscope we are able to view more magnified images, right? Now in the diagram also that you have got, you will study the parts of a microscope.